Good afternoon. My name is Carlos Andres Castrillon Perez. I am 28 years old. I live in Sabaneta, Antioquia, south of Medellin. I am currently studying food engineering and I work in a company that sells cleaning and disinfection products. I work as a consultant doing escort visits to the clients that we have. Due to my work, I have had to travel to half Colombia, and this has given me the possibility of knowing many sights and towns. I am a person that likes exercise, swimming, and usually practice these activities between 3 and 5 times a week. The food when it corresponds to a link called Chuscalito. It is a restaurant type place where events are held. That day we're celebrating 40 years of the founding of the company where it worked. We were giving a fed drinks. We were able to dance and spin. Very nice. Goodbye.